evening, Philippines. Today is, let me check my thing here, hold on. Just want to make sure, testing this out first, hold on. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, there. Good evening, Philippines. Today is Thursday, April 9th. And before I go on, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive system. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive system is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed or professional trading advisor. I am merely a retail trader like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So that said, let's go to the charts. A lot of things going on economic news-wise, reports and all forth. I'm going to have another one, I believe. Let me see. Hold on. Let's try to move this out. Where is this? There it is. So here, this is where we're at in terms of news. We're looking at right here, that's coming up, Fed chair. That's why there's been a lot of movement in the market, just pre-market. That's where the OPEC meetings. We had the Fed announcement. Federal Reserve takes additional actions to provide up to $2.3 trillion in loans. Very good. Now let me see. That was at 8:30. You see this unemployment claims, a big number here. For PPI and so forth. Fed Chairman Powell will be speaking at 10 o'clock. Now, when he speaks, the market moves, especially now. What he's going to be announcing. So, what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm not into a trade. It's around 9:36. So there you have it. With that, let's look at the charts. Let me see here. Here we are. Here's the naked chart. And as you can see, again, we had a down movement, and also we had on 8:30. Look, this is the news, right? Prior to the news, the big news, look what happened. All of a sudden you picked up, and you have your up momentum now. So, all day we're going down prior to that, but during the overnight hours, but during pre-market, around 8:30, you can see it basically now has an upward momentum. So we're looking at this. Where's the profit target here? Since we see this here, we're looking at maybe right here. So it's been revised. So we'll see what happens here. I draw another one here. Since already we reached that profit target there. So we're looking at this right here. There. So let's look at the Congressive chart. So we're looking at this going up, possibly eventually get to get up here. Again, we gotta look at the setups right now. So it's probably get up to here. Okay. So we can see we can get an entry here. We're looking at bias going up. Okay. So let me see here. Where's my other chart? There we are. Naked chart. Well, here's this chart. This over here. Okay, so let's see. So like I said, we had this one. We already had this one. I updated this one. Yep, it's already updated. So. So what I'm gonna do is put this on mute. I'll talk to you guys.
I didn't want to. You can see momentum is dying out here. It's before the Powell speaks. So we'll wait for that news, and when he speaks, we'll see if there's any spikes here. So we'll wait on that. So currently, I think, down. Let me check. Hold on. So there I am. I am down 123. So wait for this news, okay? I'll put this in pause. Or on mute, I should say. Man, that took a while. Finally hit it. That should give us enough profit, I think. So let's see here. Yep. So we made our, I said at least 100. 200 would be great, especially we got a loss. Again, that was a $596 trade net, so that was around 600. So with that said, done for the day. I'll settle with 256. Still more than I wanted, but then again, I had some losses here. I should have had a profit here. In fact, the schedule, speaking of Powell, really proved nothing. Maybe this is the old downtrend that's going on right now, but really no big erratic movements, right? So this is probably going to go all the way down here, which we could run that even further, knowing that we're below, look at it, below the moving averages here. But yeah, most likely it's going to go all the way down here. But I'll take that. I'll take my profit. So I'll end it for this week. Tomorrow there's no trading. Market is closed. Good Friday. So you'll enjoy your weekend. God bless. Do not live in fear. Only focus on Him. Enjoy your weekend watching TV. At least watch something that's... I'm not going to say anything. Just watch. Enjoy your weekend. God bless.